Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can edit geometry caches right in the engine using Mesh Morpher Classic. So first of all we're going to open a geometry cache in Mesh Morpher, and to do that we're just going to go to our asset browser here and select the geometry cache, and here we will see our geometry cache. We will be able to switch frames and select basically which frame we want to edit, or if you want to edit a frame range, you can do that by selecting the end of your range, right? So now we've selected the frame range of frame 18 to frame 379. You can also add a fade in or fade out for your sculpting, and that's up to you how you want to sculpt your to correct or fix your geometry caches. And for our tutorial here we won't be adding any. And let's do some basic sculpting here just so we can see how it works. We're just gonna add some geometry here. We're just gonna modify a little bit. We want to see how it behaves when our actually I don't like how I did it here, so let's select only connected, right? So let's do it like this. So we want to see how our sculptings, our deltas behave when our surface is rotated, right? So let's see how it works. To apply this sculpting, we have to click accept, and if you want to change to add some other sculpting to another frame, you can select another frame now, right? And we will see that if you go back, your previous sculpting will be visible. And if you want to add something here, you can do that. Let's do it. Let's have the sculptings like this. It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna accept this as well, and I'm gonna click save. Once I click save, our changes will be baked into the geometry cache. Here we're gonna apply constant topology, and we're gonna store import vertex numbers as well, right? So we want to select right motion vectors, and let's click OK. Okay, our geometry cache has been saved. Let's check it out. Let's go back to our content browser here, and let's load it, and we will see our sculptings. We can see that they work perfectly fine with surface rotation and how the mesh deforms and how the limbs are animated and all that. And I think this is it, right? This is how you sculpt geometry caches in Mesh Morpher Classic, and see you around. Bye.